Good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today, I just want to unbox this Urban 10,000 mAh 22.5 watt power bank, which I bought recently, along with this Acer laptop, Acer AMD Lite 3 quad core 5300U 16 GB RAM laptop. I just did the unboxing. See here, just I took this laptop now. This is looking pretty premium. If you want the review video, full review video, or full unboxing initial impressions of this Acer Aspire Lite AMD Ryzen quad core 5300U laptop, just find the link in the description. I have uploaded already. And along with that, I also did the unboxing of this Zebronics Jaguar Wireless 3 mouse. Okay, this it costed like 280 rupees. I also did unboxing. You can find this unboxing video in the description. Now let us just open this box so that I can show you this Urban 10,000 mAh power bank. Okay, see, I just took this out. You can, maybe I can spell it like Urban Power Your Vibe. Urban power bank, which is of 10,000 mAh. I felt a little bit heavy on my hand. Yeah, we'll check the other details here in the full page. The user got this for 520 rupees. Now the price is showing differently. Maybe you need to check in the Flipkart mobile app, and it got 4.1 rating, which are of decent ratings for this power bank. Are there 22.5 ultra fast charging, 2 times for iPhone 16, 1.7 times for Samsung S24, 1.3 times for OnePlus 12R, 1.3 times iPad mini. We need to check this practical. The user has a Vivo mobile phone, type C input output, two-way fast charge, and 12-layer circuit protection, type C cable included. So they are saying like cable is included in the box. We need to check. I'll just open this box. Yeah, let us just open this power bank outside, and we'll check whether the cable is included. And here it is shown like the cable is included with the package, type C input output, triple output, power delivery compatible PD. Okay, let me just open this outside. Yeah, there is this power bank along with the cable also included here. Maybe I'll just drop it here. Yeah, see here, this is length of the cable. It is type A to type C. Okay, type A to type C. So let us just open this Urban. See here, if you have type A to type A cable also, if you, for I say for example type A to type A cable, see here, this is a type A port, type C port, I mean type C, type A, and type A. So at a time you can charge 3 mobiles with the cables like this. Like, see here, this is type A, right? So I can insert in the type A port. See, likewise I can insert another USB type A to type C and charge the phone. And if you have type C to type C also, you can charge the mobile. Okay, even the micro USB is available here. Okay, so to charge this, this is the power button. Maybe, yeah, as soon as I press this power button, see here, the lights were turned on. So I'll plug in the mobile to check whether how it is working. So I'll be plugging the mobile. Just insert this type C port and let me check whether it is getting charged. See here, the power is now charging, the battery is being charged, and this has been turned on. See here. Okay. So how fast is it charging and how many times can I charge this phone? All these things I can do a separate video review video on this product. And on the Flipkart, it got some decent ratings of 4.1. Okay, very good ratings. Weight 220 grams, they're saying. Capacity 10,000 mAh. Lithium battery, type C type A connector, and power source is USB. Charging cable included. Yes, charging cable is included. And sales package: 1 power cable, 1 USB cable, 1 user manual. Yeah. And model name, see here, model name UPR 120 underscore BL. Okay. Suitable for mobile, tablet, and earbuds also. You can charge, and charging cable is included. Output power 2.4 amperes and type wide, and wide 220 grams. 6 months warranty. Yeah. Maybe I can tag this product. For more details you can check this page. Yeah, for now this is decently good. I'll be keeping this in the charge also. Okay. Maybe in the review video I can tell you more details about this Urban 10,000 mAh 22.5 watt power bank. Yeah, this is the lithium battery. Okay. Okay, fine. Want to charge this, you can directly plug in your mobile phone adapter, and with the type C port I'm just plugging in here. See here, this is the type C, and there is one type C port here for the power bank. I'll be just plugging this in so that let us check whether it is being charged or not. See here, it is now being charged. Okay. The charging time and everything, if you want, I'll be just ask in the comments, so that I'll be telling you in the review video.